Hello dear students and welcome again. Today inshallah we are going to study unit 11 and it is called On Land and Sea. Today we are going to study lessons 1 and 2 starting with our new vocabulary. First word we have today is bite. Bite. Bite is to use your teeth to cut into or through something. Bite. Danger. Danger. Danger is something happens that will injure, harm, or kill somebody. Danger. Flat. Flat. Having a level surface, not curved or sloping. Flat. Ocean. 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 The mass of salt water that covers most of the Earth's surface. Ocean. Poisonous. 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 Causing death or illness if absorbed into the body. Poisonous. Shell. Shell. The hard outer part of eggs and some animals. Shell. Sting. Sting. To touch your skin or make a very small hole in it so that you feel a sharp pain. Sting. Tail. 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 The part that can be moved at the back of the body of a bird or animal. Coral reefs. Coral reefs. Colorful things that are formed on the bottom of the sea from the bones of very small creatures. Coral reefs. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. A sea creature with soft, oval, almost transparent body. Jellyfish. Octopus. 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 A sea creature with soft, oval body and 8 tentacles. Octopus. Shark. 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 A shark is a very large fish. Snail. Snail. A small creature with soft wet body and a round shell that moves very slowly and often eats garden plants. Snail. Stingray. Stingray. A large flat round fish with a long tail that has poisonous points on it. Stingray. Turtle. 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 An animal which lives in or near water and has a thick shell covering its body. Turtle. Whale. Whale. A very large sea mammal that breathes air through a hole at the top of its head. Whale. Environment. 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 The physical conditions that somebody, something exists in. Environment. Necessary. Necessary. Essential for somebody to do something that is needed for a purpose. Necessary. Planet. Planet. A large round object that goes round a star. Planet. Rubbish. Rubbish. Things that you throw away as you no longer want it. Rubbish. Save. Save. To keep somebody or something safe from death or harm. Save. Throw away. Throw away. Throw something to get rid of it. Throw away. Now let's move to the grammar part, and today inshallah we are going to study the zero conditional if. We use the zero conditional if to talk about true things, I mean facts in general. Okay? It consists of if plus simple present, the second sentence is simple present. So, for example, if you heat ice, it melts. Here we are talking about facts. And we can use if in the middle of the sentence. So the first sentence is present simple, then if, then present simple. I smells if you heat it. Also, we can use when. We can use when instead of if. And we have the same example. When you heat ice, it melts. Ice melts when you heat it. If it rains, the grass gets wet. When it rains, the grass gets wet. Yes or no question using if. We use do or does when we are talking about questions or forming it. Do you cry if or when you are sad? Yes, I do. No, I don't. If your father comes, does he hug you? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't. When we come to the double H question, we use the question word plus do or does plus the subject plus the infinitive. What do you do if or when you have a problem? If or when you have a problem, what do you do? Where does she go if she has a problem? When she has a problem, where does she go? Now, let's talk about obligation. And to talk about obligation and necessity, we use must and mustn't. We use them to talk about rules and obligations. And the form is the subject plus must plus the infinitive, or subject plus mustn't plus the infinitive. We use must, as we said before, to talk about obligations. For example, you must do your homework tonight. She must tidy her room before she goes out. And we use mustn't to talk about prohibited things. Things you mustn't do or you are not allowed to do. For example, I mustn't forget to call her tonight. Also, we have the yes or no question. We use must plus the subject plus the infinitive. For example, must I buy a grammar book? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Or yes, you do, or no, you don't. Also, we have the double H question. We use the question word plus must plus the subject plus the infinitive. When must we register for the exam? When must we register for the exam? And when we give advice, we use should and shouldn't. The form is subject plus should plus or shouldn't. So, subject plus should or shouldn't plus the infinitive. I should get up early. I shouldn't go to bed late. You shouldn't eat chocolate. The question is, the form of it is should plus the subject plus the infinitive. Should I go to the gym? Yes, yes, you should, or no, you shouldn't. Should you drink more water? Yes, I should, or no, I shouldn't. Should he do sports? Yes, he should, or no, he shouldn't. By this, we come to the end of our lesson. Thanks for listening and watching. I hope it was useful for you.